Well, top of the hour, let's begin as far as Udit Raj's bizarre comparison is now concerned to the Rahul Ambedkar analogy. It's now come in response to Rahul Gandhi's big admission himself. Well, while he was addressing an OBC event yesterday, he's acknowledged that he failed to understand the issues of the community in the past, and the Congress MP meanwhile has vowed to correct the mistakes of the past as he accused the BJP of attempting to crush the OBC community.
अनटचेबिलिटी उनकी हिस्ट्री है तो एकदम पता लग जाता है। आदिवासियों की भी इश्यूज आसानी से समझ आ जाती हैं। आप उनके इलाके में जाइए, जंगल, जल, जमीन बिल्कुल सामने दिखता है, मगर ओबीसी की जो इश्यूज हैं, जो मुश्किलें हैं, वो छुपी रहती हैं, आसानी से नहीं दिखती हैं। मेरी रिग्रेट क्या है कि अगर मुझे आपकी हिस्ट्री के बारे में, आपकी इश्यूज के बारे में थोड़ा सा भी ज्यादा मालूम होता, मैं तभी जाति जनगणना करा देता।
Well, Sabyasachi is connected with us. Sabyasachi, he was speaking with regards to the caste census there. However, Rahul Gandhi seems to be acknowledging that he faltered and fell short in protecting the interests of the other backward classes, saying that while he has always understood the issues faced by Dalits and scheduled tribes, he could not have grasped the concerns of the OBCs deeply enough in the past.
Well, that's right. See, Mr. Rahul Gandhi expressed his regret yesterday. He said that at the time when the Congress was in power at the central, at that particular time, the Congress government did not implement the caste census. Now, Rahul Gandhi said that I regret this decision because at that particular time, Mr. Rahul Gandhi could not understand the real issues related to the other backward class or the SCs and the STs. But he says that he is going to rectify it, and that is the reason why he has asked for the caste census, and he will make sure that the caste census happen. Now, on the other hand, he also taken a jibe at the central government, stating that the central government deliberately is marginalizing the Bahujans as far as higher education is concerned, policy is concerned, or research is concerned. And yesterday he also pointed out certain numbers as far as the higher education is concerned, citing that in several departments the OBC's post, the reserve post, have been kept vacant. Now he also alleges that this is not something which has been done mistakenly, but this has been done deliberately by the central government. See, on one hand, it is very much important to note that the Congress party time and again has been attacking Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who's also is also from the other backward class, but continuously Mr. Rahul Gandhi's entire politics right now is focusing on the OBCs, the SCs and the STs.
All right. As far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, he says that he will now correct the wrongs of the past. As far as Gandhi science comments are also concerned, as Sabyasachi continues to be with us, drew a sharp response with the BJP now questioning him on what exactly were the measures that his party took for the OBCs when they were for several decades in power.
कांग्रेस पार्टी दिवालिया हो चुकी है और उनकी नेता भी दिवालियापन उनमें आ गया है। आज हमने सुना कांग्रेस पार्टी फिर एक बार झूठ की सहारा लिया है। उन्होंने कहा है कि मोदी सरकार ओबीसी के लिए कुछ नहीं किया। आजादी के उपरांत पहली बार एक ओबीसी के नेतृत्व में पिछले 11 साल से भारत की सेवा की जा रही है। उस पे कांग्रेस पार्टी की बहुत बड़ी दिक्कत उनको हो रही है। कांग्रेस पार्टी पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी रिजर्वेशन के खिलाफ है, विशेष करके SC, ST, OBC की एम्पावरमेंट के खिलाफ है।
Now let's talk about the first week